Hello again. This is Richard Moll, Chief Conservator at the Autry, and I thought this time I would bring you one of my favorite artifacts from storage. It's got to be one of my favorite pieces in the museum, and I just can't tell you how excited I am to let you have a look. This artifact is a recreation of a Western town, and it was carved and put together by an artist and wood carver by the name of Gene Hoback. He has got everything in this town. I think when it's laid out completely, it's about 14 to 18 feet long, depending on how you put the buildings together. And he has every possible building in a Western town. He's got the saloon, he's got the hotel, he's got the stable, he's got the grocer, the blacksmith shop, you name it, it's here. But not only that, you've got cowboys, you've got the bartender, you've got the grocer. He's got all these people and all the furniture and all the supplies. The saloon has a mirror in the back, which you can actually look at and see yourself in. All the roofs of the buildings come off, and so you can actually look inside and you can see the wedding party that's in the hotel, and you can see all the people who are imbibing their spirits in the saloon. The attention to detail shows you how much he not only enjoyed putting this artifact together, but the love that he has of the West, in the romance of the West.